Ever lay in bed exhausted, but your brain refused to turn off? That's me almost every night. I tried meditating, sleep tea, sleep gummies, nothing really worked until I discovered Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender oil is rich in linalool and linalool acetate. These things interact with the GABA receptors in your brain. It helps you to feel much more calm and relaxed. It also helps to lower cortisol level and deepens the NREM sleep so that you get the rest that you always wanted. You can put it in diffusers or a few drops on your temples, or you can also DIY your own pillow mist. Just after a few nights, I noticed that I fall asleep much more easier, and I also noticed that I wake up feeling much more well rested. By the way, I always get my essential oil at Yin and Yang's. I've already put the link in the description. There's much more choices of essential oils that they have. You can totally check it out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this video helped you in any way, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and share this video to the friends that's having the same problem. And do comment down below if there's any hack that you guys do to improve the quality of your sleep. See you in the next one.